English dictation 80 words per minute. Start. In this regard, I would like to point out the most important thing that unless a communal government which is not disciplined does not have an anonymity of thought, does not share common responsibility, is sure to face such dilemma. This is but natural. With this comment, I would like to say something because poverty is on the increase in the country. We have said that this budget is for the upliftment of the poor. Poverty is increasing and it is a symptom of many ills prevalent in the society. Unemployment is the poor case of poverty. So the real problem is unemployment. If unemployment is removed, poverty will naturally come to an end. But in our country, the percentage of people living below the poverty line is decreasing, but the number of poor is not decreasing. As per data, the percentage of people living below poverty line was 54-55% during 1973-74, and seemingly it has come down to 32-33% now, but the number of the poor has not decreased. At that time also about 30 to 33 crores people were living below the poverty line, and even today the situation remains the some dispute all efforts made in this regard. The only reason behind this in our country is the increasing unemployment. Today ago, the government had accepted in this house that they would bring poverty to zero level by 2008, but from which point they have started, you have extended the age of retirement to 60 years. For the time being, the budget deficit which was going to increase has going avoided by saving the pension amount. 900 crores rupees is not a big amount. However, limited saving has been done on this account. But to save this, should we extend the retirement age of government employees? The government did not think of its likely impact on employment in our country.